The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the best and most innovative smartphone money can buy right now. It's not just a phone guys, it's a tablet-sized powerhouse with a stunning folding display, a massive 200 megapixel high resolution camera, and the most advanced AI features ever put inside a phone. You heard that right, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is an AI-powered beast. With Samsung teaming up with Google Gemini, this thing doesn't just perform, it literally dominates. It is the most powerful AI smartphone ever created, and honestly guys, Apple Intelligence is nowhere close to matching what this device can do. So guys, I'm gonna show you some of the unimaginable AI tricks the Z Fold 7 can perform with Google Gemini Live. So all you need to do is just press the power key to wake Google Gemini Live, and you guys can not only just talk to Gemini, ask questions, but can also ask it to perform cross functions. Search on YouTube for a step-by-step Lotus Biscoff ice cream recipe and then save all the key points, recipe and ingredients to Samsung Notes.
The YouTube search for Lotus Biscoff ice cream recipe yielded several results. I've chosen the most relevant search result to get more details about the recipe. Butter, 1 cup. Crushed Lotus Biscoff cookies, 10 to 12 cookies. Key points/instructions. Whip the cold heavy cream to stiff peaks. Add the sweetened condensed milk and Biscoff cookie butter. Then mix well.
You can ask Gemini to search for a recipe or next video idea or morning routine and save it directly to Samsung Notes. Plus set a reminder for it. Yes, this all with a single prompt, all without switching or manually opening any applications. Single prompt and you get your work done. Again, this is a device that shows the future of smartphones is already here and iPhone is simply out of the race. Guys, one of the most mind-blowing feature is Gemini Live Screen Share. Gemini can actually see what's on your screen and instantly suggest ideas, guide you, and help you with whatever you are doing. So like for example, when playing Genshin Impact, I was stuck on what to do next and Gemini perfectly guided me on where to go and which tasks to complete. Yeah, honestly guys, Gemini Live Screen Share feels like your smartest AI buddy living right inside your phone, and iPhone users are still stuck in the past with a useless AI. I need a step-by-step guide on how to make her even more powerful.
No problem. Let's start simple. First, open your in-game menu by pressing the correct button and navigate to the character section. Perfect. Now that you're on Daya's profile, tap the level up button to increase her level. You'll need specific materials to do this. After that, we can move on to talents or weapons. Okay, you're in the level up screen. You can select materials manually or use the auto add button to quickly fill them in. Once you've selected the materials, tap the level up button to confirm. Great! Since you've maxed out her current level, the next step is to ascend her. This will increase her max level and unlock more potential. You should see an option to ascend her on this screen.
Google Gemini Live also lets you use your phone's camera to see the real world in real time. So you guys can ask your questions right there. Can suggest you ideas, guide you through anything.
A strong opening move is to place your X in one of the 4 corners. Now you've opened up a potential winning line in the top row. Let's see what your opponent does. Won that round. Well played.
The icing on the cake is Gemini Nano Banana, which can generate AI images with a single prompt. Whether it's your pre-wedding shoot or a complete imaginary character, it can create anything you can imagine. And with Veo 3, you guys can turn all that imagination into live videos or animation. That is absolutely mind-blowing guys. You have come a long way, that is for sure. Again guys, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is an AI powerhouse. If you want the peak AI experience, this is the only device you need. So as the Galaxy Z Fold 7 packs powerful software and hardware, and the most mind-blowing part is that it's actually lighter and thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is extremely powerful and highly power efficient, can play high graphic AAA games like GTA 5 without any issue, and the battery life is really amazing for a folding phone. Not to mention, the selfie experience is on another level. You guys can literally capture 200 megapixel selfies, use all 4 lenses, and even shoot 8K videos using the cover display as the viewfinder. So this is what innovation looks like in its purest form, and it's sad to see that iPhone users are missing on so much right now. Thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.